synthetic oils are the same.
Aren't all synthetic oils the same?
Synthetics or synthetics?
Cash for Lynch. I'm going to try this.
So what? Sticking with your dipstick.
So why did you hit me?
Because you were sticking with your dipstick.
Stick with your dipstick. Great to Cascade Edge. With 8 times better wear protection than Mobile 15W30. It's more than used oil. It's liquid engineering.
Flight 39, Vancouver, 418 minutes.
Oh, it's the buttons.
Two of gaming's greatest rivals are ready to face off in Canada. Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Winter Games. Available now. Rated everyone.
You know, truck guys, I like to get the job done right. Measure twice, cut once, I always say. Let me give you a hand there. Thanks. Did you know the Silverado XFE has an EPA estimated 22 highway? How about your F-150? Less. And this Silverado has 315 horsepower. Yours? Plus. Silverado's powertrain is back for 5 years or 100,000 miles. Yours?
40,000 miles less.
Don't blame the partner. Blame the tool.
Chevy Silverado, America's best truck.
Friday morning at Ace, buy a 12-gallon shop bag for $29.99 and save 60% with a $10 rebate. Get a Stanley Leverlock Tape Rule 3-pack or a 20-piece screwdriver set for $14.99 each and save 75% with a $10 rebate on each. Ace, the holiday helpful place.
Extradition agent Danny Lowe drove through the night with 4 angry inmates pushing his buttons. Today, on day 5, Lowe speeds up Interstate 5 through Southern California.